How to manually block your calendar. Watch this. Go to Host Dashboard and click My Properties. Select the listing that you wanted to block with. Click Calendar and choose the dates you are going to block. To change the listing availability status, simply click the date and confirm. Now, your listing availability has been updated. Hooray! You are all set!